The healing power of nature, or ecotherapy, refers to the benefits of spending time in natural environments. Engaging with nature can significantly improve mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Nature exposure reduces stress, enhances mood and focus, boosts immunity, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances sleep quality. Nature fosters connection and grounding, enhancing self-esteem and reducing isolation, while also stimulating creativity and inspiration. Forest bathing, gardening, hiking, nature meditation, wildlife observation, and outdoor exercise reduce stress and boost mood. These activities also provide physical exercise, improve cardiovascular health, increase mindfulness, and foster a connection to nature. Regular interactions with nature can significantly improve mental, emotional, and physical health.